Natalie Porter, and we just did some major shopping. Well, okay, medium shopping at Costco.
No,
this is definitely this is not what I would consider a major haul, but the price tag says so. But it is all organic. I think with a couple tiny exceptions. I don't even think I don't know. I might have got all organic. And that is the challenge: is keto and organic. Can you feed a family on a budget, non-GMO, no hormones, no antibiotics, keto friendly, clean food? Let's just say clean food. All right, so let's flip you guys around and let's see what we got. I've got my receipts with me so we can talk prices. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the Costco shopping trip haul. We're going to start out with the Rouse spaghetti sauce. That is a low carb. I think it's 4 or 5 grams per serving on that one. And those are the really large bottles. Then I got the organic fruit bars for my kids, some Kerrygold butter. That was like 4 pounds of that, an organic strawberry spread. The Made Good granola bars. I'm always trying to find healthier things for lunches. The organic heavy whipping cream and organic peanut butter, because my kids love some PB&Js, so we're definitely going to be getting that. I really needed kitchen bags, and you know what? Couldn't get those organic. Also, the Ziploc bags. That was a multi-pack. That was super handy. Really liked that. I've got the Mott's organic applesauce. My kids love this stuff. They eat it like crazy. Organic baby carrots. I know that they're really just carrots cut down small, but you know, ease of use. Grab and go. Big batch of organic bananas. And those were a really good deal. I was surprised. They're $5 pounds. Let me see here. The bananas were $1.99. I got the clementines. All right, now I got into the organic chicken, and this for the two of them at $1.99 a pound. I felt like that was a really great deal. The almond flour is a staple around here. 3 pounds of almond flour is fabulous, and these cheese wraps are awesome, and they've got like 1 carb. This is an organic grass-fed, grass-finished beef sausage, and they're delicious. This mixed nut butter has everything but peanuts in it, and it's fabulous. I did get a giant thing of pot roast for the next 2 Sundays, $5.17 a pound for that, and it was delicious. We already had one of them. This Sir Kensington, sorry, there's the mixed nuts. So yeah, it's almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, really good stuff. The avocado oil mayonnaise, I just paid like $7 for a small version of that at my local store. That was way cheaper. Maple syrup, organic, good stuff. We love that in our oatmeal and all sorts of good stuff. There's one of the kids with their apple because they had to have it. Now, this is what I got at Meijer. The hand soaps were on clearance for 67 cents a piece, so I got 3. We've been sick around here, so I had to get some cough syrup and cough drops. Dry skin because it's winter, so I grabbed some Dove oils and cough and cold syrup with some of these lovely, I love the Zerabee cough drops. They're fabulous. So that was the Costco run. Okay, Aldi, here we go. I was able to get my pepperonis, not organic, sliced cheese, not organic. I was able to get this really yummy lunch meat, and I got the ham, the honey ham, and the turkey. My kids love that stuff. White cheddar cheese. I got a sheep's cheese and a Sazio cheese. That sheep's cheese, I'll tell you what, guys, that stuff is amazing. And then I picked up my Scrubbies because I love these things. They had a great deal on these bins that I'm using in my refrigerator for organizing. Almond milk and the organic milk. We buy like 5 different kinds of milk around here. Grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. This was $5 a pound, I do believe, at Aldi. And so when I looked at the stuff at Costco, it was not grass-fed, grass-finished. So I went ahead and picked that up. The never-ending chicken, not ever-ending, cage-free chickens raised with none of the stuff, right? Okay. And that was $4.29 a pound. So I picked up several packages of that. We eat a lot of bread around here, even though my husband and I are not keto. Our kids are not keto. And so they eat a lot of sandwiches. There's the puzzle that my daughter's working on. I'm not allowed to move it. Okay, oatmeal, Cheerios, because my kids get mad if there isn't any. I did get organic spaghetti and salsa, some red bell peppers and orange bell peppers. Those are not organic. I am crazy in love with this almond coconut milk, and it's 1 carb, guys. I love it. Super yummy. Got to get my coffee. Again, not organic. Bone broth. I love the bone broth they have there. That is organic. And the tomatoes. I got corn chips because we're going to have some keto chili. And then I did get the organic tortilla chips. So, altogether, not everything's organic. No, I stopped at Meijer and got some more Zevia because I love my some Zevia. And this is the Kite Hill cream cheese that I use for my boys that are dairy free. Mozzarella sticks because we always need those. Having some friends over, so we've got some Jameson. And I picked up some skin care items and some makeup because it was on clearance. Yay! Couldn't help. I just couldn't. And I had coupons. It was really good. So those were my Meijer items. And let me see. So was it worth it? Was all of that extra effort, attention, shopping, going to the different places worth buying the organic food? Did my kids eat the organic food? Did it last? Did I spend more than I normally would have? I can say with a pretty fair amount of confidence that it was. I was very surprised that my kids all, even my pickiest eater in the house, loved the snacks that I got for their lunches. No one had any issues with eating anything aside from their normal complaints. And I also didn't, I bought normal ingredients. I bought the normal ingredients I normally would have bought, only I bought them in an organic and sustainable supplier, from an organic or sustainable supplier. So I think that was the biggest difference. The meat did cost considerably more than I normally would be paying per pound. And we do eat a protein pretty much at every meal. So if anything's going to increase my cost, of course, that's going to be it. But I felt like it was offset by the fact that I wasn't buying some of the other stuff, i.e. junk mostly, that I would normally have bought. And it did mean that I had to make some extra things from scratch. But I don't think it was, without a little forethought, I don't think that it inhibited me in any way from making sure there was food available to the kids or myself or my husband when it needed to be, which to me is a successful story. That's what it's all about, is there still enough food in the fridge at the end of the shopping cycle, which tomorrow is the end of this shopping cycle. I've waited 2 full weeks to live this out and to see what the results were so that I could give you guys as honest of kind of a review of my experience as I can. And yeah, it was pretty successful. I intend to do it yet again tomorrow. I was very pleased with Costco. The total for my purchase at Costco, I kept all my receipts, guys, was, not including the membership, $295.76. Okay, and I don't have to pay the membership again until next year. I really genuinely feel that being able to get the quality of ingredients that I got at the quantity that I need, right? Because I'm feeding a large family. You might be able to go, well, shoot, you could buy what I got and it would probably last a smaller family a month or longer. And yeah, I mean, if you're paying per unit prices like that, I think that's a great deal. At Aldi, which I am, I'm going to tell you guys, if you don't shop Aldi, if you're afraid of Aldi because it's not a normal grocery store, which it really is, you are missing out. They have so much available to us as consumers can you hear the kids? Yeah, they're playing in the other room, sorry. They have so much available to us. They offer so much to us that is organic, that is non-GMO, that does come from sustainable resources. It's just do it. Give it a shot, guys. I mean, they even have a return policy. If you don't like what you buy, you take it back to them. I hope that this is still standing. Is it on their receipt? Sometimes they'll put that on receipts. And they will refund your money like 2 times over. That used to be their policy. Maybe, I don't know if it is anymore, but it's still, you can still return food if it's not good, or let them know, that it didn't. I've done it. I've had food that I got home and it was bad. I think I got bananas once or something like that. So yeah, it's worth the shot. It is. My Aldi total was $172.92, and that did include the baskets that I got for organizing my refrigerator, which turned out really super great. And I got the grass-fed beef and the non-hormone chicken. It didn't, I don't know. Chicken's harder, right? I don't know. I'm having a hard time figuring out how to buy chicken. But I got 8 pounds of those items, and it still was $172.92. And we're still drinking and eating this food, and it's been 2 solid weeks. So even though I probably didn't buy as many items as I normally would have bought, it actually, I normally would have been out of food by today, my day before shop day. I did run out of bread. I only bought 9 loaves. No, I only bought 6 loaves. That's where I messed up. I should have bought 9. So we did run out of bread. Did not run out of any of our milk. Did not run out of our eggs, I got the eggs from a local farmer. She's amazing. I've already ordered more for next week. So yeah, I honestly can say that I think that this is doable. I'm really excited. It felt really good to feed my family this food the last 2 weeks. It just preparing it, knowing that it came from a responsible resource, that it wasn't pumped full of something that I didn't know about that could harm them. It made a difference. I felt really good about it. So that's my take. I'd love to hear kind of what your opinions are about this in a kind way. Because I know this is kind of a hot topic, and some people are going to sit back and say that it doesn't mean beans to them, and that's okay too. We all got to do what we feel is right and that we're comfortable with. My only challenge is to educate yourself, and you might educate yourself and feel like you don't need to do this, and that's okay. Obviously, you don't need my affirmation, but this was something I personally have felt concern over, and I really needed to give this a shot. So I am very pleased with the results. I'm going to continue down this journey. I'm going to challenge myself to find even more organic food products for my family, and I'll keep you all posted. Comment below, let me know what you're dealing with, what your concerns are. I'll see if I can help in any way. But yeah, it was great. I'm excited. Thanks for your time. Thanks for joining me. I hope that you guys have a blessed day, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel. If you comment below, that kind of helps everybody else get to see me. It bumps me up in what YouTube actually shows. Otherwise, I get lost in this giant sea of YouTube channels. But thanks again, you guys. I hope that you have an amazing, blessed day. Alrighty, bye.